So if you haven't heard about WatchOut Wearables, it is an Indian emerging brand that focuses on a variety of different products such as smartwatches, earphones, etc. And today we have their latest smartwatch. So let's unbox it and see what this smartwatch is all about. First, you get instructions on how to get started with all the companion apps. On backside, you get some information about the company. And 6 months warranty card is also included for your safety. And you get the smartwatch itself, and this one is called Jazz Black Edition. And a cable with magnetic pins for charging is all you get in the box. Now coming to the watch, it is built well and the material used does give it a premium feel to it, and the matte finish with that red accent button makes it feel more premium. For display, you get 1.3-inch IPS panel. Yes, it is not an OLED panel, so you will miss out on deep black levels. But the brightness level of this IPS panel is really bright, and even the sunlight legibility is good. It's not the best I have seen, but it is quite manageable. Now this watch runs on a MediaTek ARM7 platform and has a 300 mAh battery. All the major fitness activities option is present by default, so you can start your different workouts and check your progress. The heart rate sensor also does a pretty good job and is almost accurate, for me at least. The best part here is you can set the mode to repeat and it will continuously monitor your heart rate for a certain time. And obviously doing this will consume more battery, so just keep that in mind. The main feature here is it has a built-in mic and a speaker, which is not widely seen in this price point. So you can use Google Assistant or Siri to make calls or ask any queries.
Send message.
Okay. Message sent.
You can even answer calls on your smartwatch itself, and the speaker quality is also decent. Basic things like app notifications work just fine as you expect, and it will alert you for your incoming notifications. Various gestures like wake up gesture and shake to answer calls is also added to make your experience even better. It also doesn't miss out on all your day-to-day apps like calendar, stopwatch and calculator. New thing here is sleep monitoring feature. It is a good inclusion if you are someone who wears the watch while sleeping, so it can monitor your sleep. Other features include finding your phone, and it works vice versa as well. The Bluetooth music helps you in controlling your YouTube videos or your music tracks on your watch. To manage the watch, you will need to configure 3 different apps. First is Fundo app that will keep all your activity records in one place and will maintain all your stats about your health. Second app is company's own WatchOut Wearables app and is mainly used for installing watch faces. So first you need to download the watch face. Once it is saved, now you need third app, that is MediaTek Smart Device, for applying that watch face. Go to My Applications, click on Watch Face to install. Now you need to select the new watch face from your watch and apply it. It doesn't do it automatically. Every time you need to select the new watch face from the watch and then apply it. It's definitely a lengthy procedure and it's not a seamless experience. So let's finally talk about battery life. I got around 1.5 days of battery life for my average usage. It is difficult to get 2 entire days of battery life and is kind of okay considering all the features you get. So after using it for a week, the only complaint I have is the experience of software. It is not refined and polished and it feels similar to other smartwatches. Obviously it is not easy for them to make their own proprietary software, and once they try doing it, it will surely stand out against its competitors. See, for a price of under 7,000 rupees, if you want all the best features possible, like receiving calls with built-in mic and speaker, and if the software isn't the highest priority for you, then this smartwatch is a great, well-rounded option without cutting many corners. If you're planning to buy this smartwatch or any other products from WatchOut Wearables, you can use promo code MStechnism5 to get 5% discount on their website. So if you enjoy watching such content, then like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Till then, keep loving your gadgets.